Welcome to WonderLast, where we explore the most breathtaking places on Earth. Today, we dive deep, literally, into one of the Philippines' most mysterious and beautiful lakes, Barracuda Lake in Coron, Palawan. Surrounded by jagged limestone cliffs, Barracuda Lake is famous for its surreal beauty and unique underwater secrets. So, why the name Barracuda Lake? Legend has it that a large barracuda once lived in the lake's depths. Divers even reported sightings in the past, giving the lake its fierce name. Barracudas are apex predators, which can grow up to 2 meters long and swim at speeds over 35 kilometers per hour. They're not just fast, they're focused. You won't see them hunting in packs because they are lone rangers. There's a common myth that barracudas attack shiny objects like your dive computer or regulator. But here's the truth. Most of the rare attacks on humans aren't random. They're usually tied to spear fishing when a barracuda tries to grab a fish on the line. It's not aggression, it's instinct. So, should you be afraid of the barracuda? Not really. Respect them? Absolutely. Besides, there's no barracuda in Barracuda Lake. Before it became a tourist favorite, Barracuda Lake was sacred to the indigenous Tagbanwa people. It was only opened to the public in the late 1990s. Barracuda Lake is unlike any dive site in the world. Imagine this. As you descend, the temperature dramatically changes from a refreshing 28 degrees Celsius near the surface to a toasty 38 degrees Celsius, just a few meters deeper. To get here, you'll need to take a short boat ride from Coron town, followed by a wooden staircase, and climb over the cliffs. Barracuda Lake. It's a mystery, a sacred space, and a natural wonder, all in one. Like, subscribe, and join us next time on WonderLast, where we discover the beauty of creation, one breathtaking place at a time.